Hello, hello, it's Debbie. How are you guys doing? I'm here to do a little Easter craft with you guys, and we are going to be using this transfer here, and what it says is I'm a little extra. It has a couple cute little eggs. We're ready for Easter over here, guys. So what I'm going to do, and I noticed that, let's see, let me see if I can fix that that camera right here. Let me see. That's better. Now you can see my head. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing tonight is we are going to use this little flag pennant shaped board. And this came from Dollar Tree. It had a cute little design on it, but I went ahead and painted over with it. And so I used chalk paint to go ahead and cover it up. Used 2 coats, and then I just sand it down a little bit to make it smooth. But before we do our sign, I have this adorable, whoops, let me turn on my glue gun. This adorable little moss bunny wreath. What do you guys think of that? Isn't that adorable? I just love it. And then I have these little flowers, some floral elements that we're going to put in it. And we're going to make the bunny real plain because he has a bow on him already. And so we're just going to make it plain, but decorate it with a little bit of florals. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut off some of my stems here. So I'm just going to cut them right at the base so I get the most length I can. And as you guys jump on, please comment the word extra, EGGSTRA. That will get you the link to all the products I'm using tonight. All you'll have to do, I think I did put a surface in there, so it won't be the Dollar Tree surface, but it will be one of the Chalk Couture surfaces, which is really cute. It's an inexpensive little board, and it's perfect for whatever you want to use it for. It's a great surface, and so that'll be in there instead of the Dollar Tree board, okay? So what I was thinking is just going ahead and putting these off to the side. So I think I'm going to spread out the stems a little bit. And I'll probably put a large stem with a small stem. And, well, let's see. How are we going to make this even? Okay, so we'll just go ahead and put them all together here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and glue them into the grapevine. So just as soon as this heats up, I'm thinking I'm just going to push them in to the grapevine.